Welcome to JM's Mindful Money Moments, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by JM Molloy of Dominion Lending Centers, the #1 mortgage choice for home buyers. Now, here's your Mindful Money Moment.
Okay, let's talk about 5 ways to pay for home improvements. Have you been considering a home improvement project lately? Maybe you'd like to add an extra room, more floor space, or simply update your kitchen or bathroom. Whatever your plans, you must first decide how you're going to pay for it. Here are 5 ways to fund your next home reno or home improvement project. Number 1, credit cards. Credit cards are one of the quickest and easiest ways to finance less expensive projects. They are especially attractive if you can nail down an introductory offer of 0% interest for a year or so, or earn valuable rewards. But keep in mind, if you put a large balance on your card that will take a while to pay off, the interest can hurt you. You'll be paying extremely high ongoing interest rates when you don't pay your monthly bill in full. Number 2, a personal loan. Often available with fast approval from banks and some retailers, a personal loan can be an excellent option for funding. But as unsecured loans, they again have high interest rates. Number 3, a HELOC, otherwise known as a home equity line of credit. Since a home equity line of credit is secured against your home, the interest rate is much, much lower. This is great for projects that happen in stages, since you only pay interest on the money being used at any given point in time, rather than the full approved loan amount. However, approval requires more paperwork than credit cards and personal loans. Number 4, cash out refinancing. For substantial projects, a refinance usually offers the lowest interest rate, but it involves lots of paperwork and upfront costs. Number 5, use your savings. So start saving now if you're not in a hurry. The most affordable way to pay for a reno or any home improvement is using existing savings. So there you have it. I've just given you 5 ways to pay for your home improvement project. For more information on how to finance your next home reno or home improvement, call us today.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of JM's Mindful Money Moments. If you have any questions or comments, please call JM today at 416-729-2915.